Good morning, Ms. Novak. I hope you're doing well. I want to schedule a meeting to discuss the Q4 strategy. What time zone are you currently in?
Good afternoon, Mr. Carter. I'm in Central European Summer Time, which is 6 hours ahead of Eastern Daylight Time.
Thanks for the clarification. Would 10 a.m. my time work for you? That would be 4 p.m. your time.
Yes, that works perfectly. I'll block my calendar for 4 p.m. Central European Summer Time on Thursday.
Great. I'll send over a calendar invite with the time adjusted for both zones. Just to confirm, we'll meet via Teams?
Yes, Teams is fine. Thanks for coordinating across time zones, it really helps streamline our communication.
Absolutely. Looking forward to our discussion. Have a productive day ahead.
You too, Mr. Carter. See you Thursday.